In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send emails using Mailchimp. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to enhance their email marketing skills, you'll find this tutorial easy to follow. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll want to log in to your Mailchimp account. If you don't yet have one, it's pretty straightforward to sign up, and having all your credentials handy will make this process smoother. Once you're logged in, it's crucial to define who your audience will be. Knowing your audience helps tailor your message effectively, ensuring it reaches the right people with the right content. Next, on your Mailchimp dashboard, navigate to the Audience tab, where you'll see the option to add contacts. Here you can begin creating your audience. Mailchimp offers a few different ways to add contacts. You can choose to import them from another device, upload a CSV or text file, or even copy and paste directly from a spreadsheet. This flexibility means you can manage your contacts efficiently, allowing you to engage them with your content easily. Now that we've got the audience set, it's time to create a new campaign. Head over to Campaign and click on All Campaigns, where you'll then select Create. When prompted, choose Email as the option. This selection will set the stage for crafting your email campaign. Designing your email is an exciting part, and Mailchimp makes it a breeze with its selection of email templates. You can start from a basic template, or choose a pre-designed one that suits your campaign's theme. A great feature of Mailchimp is its drag and drop editor, enabling you to easily add text, images, buttons, and social media links. Don't forget to customize colors, fonts, and other design elements to align with your brand's identity. Using merge tags like inserting a first name is a smart way to personalize your email, making it feel special to each recipient. Before you finalize your email, take advantage of Mailchimp's preview and test features to see how your email looks on different devices. Ensuring everything is crisp on both desktop and mobile is key to reaching your audience effectively. Once your design is set, you'll want to set up your email subject line from name and reply to address. Crafting a compelling subject line is your chance to grab the reader's attention and entice them to open your email. The from name should be recognizable to avoid appearing spammy, and always check that replies go to the correct email address, especially for team-based campaigns. Finally, when everything is polished and ready, you have the option to either send the email immediately or schedule it for a later date. Scheduling is handy for targeting specific times known for higher engagement. Select the date and time and let Mailchimp handle the sending process. And there you have it, a straightforward method to send emails using Mailchimp. Follow these steps and you'll be well on your way to becoming proficient in email marketing. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.